here to tell you a story about a time a guy got beat up.
Wait, what?
Are you sure that's how you want to introduce the story?
Okay, how would you do it?
Like this. The LC3 puppets story time.
I don't get it.
Just get over here, jeez. A man was going down from Jerusalem to Jericho, and he fell among robbers. Oh. Who stripped him and beat him and departed, leaving him half dead. Now by chance a priest was going down that road and saw him.
No, I'm fine.
And passed to the other side. So likewise, a Levite, a member of the tribe Levi, when he came to the place, it saw him. Passed by on the other side. But a Samaritan from a group of people who were not liked by the Jewish people. That's me. I'm a Samaritan. As I journeyed, I came to where he was. When I saw him, I had compassion. And I went to him and bound up his wounds, pouring oil and wine.
Whoa, whoa, whoa! It burns!
Oops. Sorry. Then I set him on my own animal and brought him to an inn to take care of him. And the next day I took out 2 coins and gave them to the innkeeper, saying, "Take care of him, and whatever more you spend, I will repay you when I come back."
So kids, which of these guys took the time to help the guy who got beat up? The priest, the Levite, or the Samaritan?
The Samaritan!
Can you say that again? I didn't catch it.
The Samaritan!
What? Okay. That's right, the Samaritan.
Jesus told this story to a group of not-so-nice guys called the Pharisees, who didn't obey God's law themselves, but made other people do so, to teach them about helping others and being kind to our friends.
If you see someone hurt in the streets, that would be a big job to try to handle by yourself. You should always